What's going on, YouTube? I do a quick video of my truck before I do some upgrades. Tell me what you think. 2008 F350 dually. Got the Xbox in there. Some bored days at work. Got a couple of screens in here. Can't have the Xbox without the screens. Thinking about putting a bigger lift on here. A lot of people say not to. You know, my preference. You gotta excuse the inside, it is a work truck. The dash for another screen. Check out what I got right here for them haters. Just playing around. Always wanted to say that and take it serious. Hope this video comes out. It's kind of dark. Got another one back there. Oh, that's my truck. Let me know what y'all think.